Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I have another cryptocurrency tutorial for you. I'm going to show you how to cash out your crypto on Coinbase or Coinbase Pro, the wallet versions on your mobile as opposed to on the desktop. I did a previous video a couple years ago on how to do it on the desktop, how to cash out your crypto, and I had some questions about how to do it on the mobile wallet. So I will show you how to do with both mobile wallets and why you might want to choose Coinbase Pro over Coinbase because the fees are less. Now to sell your crypto on the Coinbase wallet, what you'll do is click those little arrows there in the middle and we want to sell crypto for cash. And just pick your crypto that you want to sell. I'll sell a little bit of Bitcoin. And let's just say I wanted to sell we'll do like $25 worth. I'm not going to actually sell it. I'm just going to preview it for you just so you can see. Preview the sale. All right, so that's what the fee is. It's $25. You're going to sell it for $25 and the fee is $1.49. The Coinbase fee. If you want to check out their fees, click on that little eye. And then you can read through the fees structure right here. I'm not going to read through this, but you can read through that. Now I can sell now and get some USD in return. Okay, so keep that in mind, $1.49 for that transaction. And now we come over to Coinbase Pro and we'll see how the fees are over there. And we want to do a sell order. So you want to make sure you're on the markets, which is there in the lower left corner, the little bars. So you're going to click on that, you're on the markets. And I want to do BTC USD, which is that top one. Click on that. And now you can buy or sell right here. So let's do a sell, see what it's going to be. I'm just going to do a market order like it was over on Coinbase Pro. And we'll type in the amount. And so I just put in 0.0045 BTC because that's roughly the same as 25 on the other, and look at that fee, only 12 cents. The other wallet, and also on Coinbase.com, the fee was much higher. It was, what, $1.49? Something like that. And this is 12 cents. So keep that in mind. Preview that order. And I'm just going to place the sell order. And you could do that over at the other, on Coinbase as well, and sell it. Like I showed you earlier, the reason why I sold it, I just wanted to get some USD in my wallet so I can show you how to just withdraw it to your bank. Okay, I'm going to go back over to my portfolio here. And now you see that I have USD dollar right there. And it's $24.20. I normally don't sell my Bitcoin or crypto, but I just did that for this video. And now if you want to withdraw and go to your bank account, just hit withdraw, hit the USD, and then you can send it to your bank. You will have to link your bank account and bank account there. And I can't remember if Coinbase lets you do PayPal or not. I thought they did. I think they do. But you can just send it to your bank account right there and it'll arrive in a few days. And there you go. That's how you do it. So you just click on that. I'll send it over there. Let's just do the whole amount. And now this doesn't have any fees, which is nice. And then you can just hit withdraw right now. I'm not going to do it, but there you go. That's how you would do it. Or if for some reason you wanted to withdraw over on Coinbase, let's go back. You would withdraw USD. And you can send it to your Coinbase account if you wanted to keep the USD over there. You would just put in the amount and then hit withdraw, and then it would send it to your your Coinbase account. So $24.20. There's no fees associated with it, so I could hit withdraw USD and it would go over there. Just remember, you're going to have to set up your bank account or your PayPal with Coinbase in order to withdraw the fiat currency after you convert it from Bitcoin or Ethereum or one of those coins on Coinbase.com or Coinbase Pro. and then you can, once you have the fiat, then you can transfer that to your bank. And that's how you do it on the mobile apps, both Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. Just remember, the Coinbase Pro wallet, the fees are lower. I'm Matt Taylor. This is my variety channel. Thank you for watching. Until next time, happy trading, everyone.